Hello friends, I'm Sunaina from S2BComCE. Now I'm here to present a book review. The book I have selected for reviewing is Aadujeevitham by Benjamin. Benny Daniel Benjamin, born in 1971. He is an Indian novelist and short story writer in Malayalam language from Nechur Kulanada near Pantalam of South Indian state of Kerala. He lived in the Kingdom of Bahrain from 1992 to 2013 before returning Kerala. His work appears regularly in Malayalam publications in Kerala. Aadujeevitham is his famous book, that means the famous novel. There are 255 pages in this book and the price of the book is 200. Aadujeevitham is a novel portraying the real life of Najib, who was a migrant worker in Saudi Arabia. My father bought this book for me to read. On this occasion, I would like to thank him for giving me such a wonderful book. This novel made me understand the real problems of people working abroad. When I started reading the book, I have many expectations whether the novel is about gods or the life of a person which is like God. The story tells us about the life of Najib, who went abroad to fulfill the small dreams in his life, leaving his pregnant wife at home. But unfortunately, instead of reaching Riyadh, he reaches a god-rearing farm somewhere in Saudi Arabia. He gets trapped by the supervisor, who is shown as a brutal and cruel man. Najib was forced to look after the gods. He was starving quite a lot and at time. In other times, he was given kubus and cold water. He did not have many clothes to wear. He was not allowed to take bath as supervisor considered it as a waste of water. As a whole, I felt that he was not even getting the considerations that the god got. His job was to take the goats to a nearby hilly area to feed them. He spends almost his time with the goats, eating and sleeping with them. Nobody was there to speak with him. The only Keralite was a truck driver who he met very rarely, so he found the satisfaction himself by speaking with the goats. He assigned names to each goats and spoke to them. He wrote letters to his wife, though he knew that he couldn't send them. He never wrote the hardships he faced in these letters. He tried at level best to withstand and survive through all the difficulties he faced, and never tried to commit suicide. He was surrounded by the vast desert and tried to find shelter even behind stones. Whenever he tried to escape from there, he was caught by the supervisor. Najib feels that he had become a god living with gods. Finally, he escapes from there. This is a real life story, and I cannot even start to imagine how hard it would have been. This is a book that brings tears to the eyes of the reader. There are many people who go abroad legally or illegally who fall in traps of heartless agents and the merciless job provider. The cover of the book quotes, "All life which we didn't experience are just fable for us." One gets to experience the pulse of a person who suffered a lot in the desert by reading this book. I highly recommended everyone to read this novel, Aadujeevitham. Thank you. Have a nice day.